Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Golly Podcast. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of single-board computers, or SBCs for short. These tiny powerhouses are revolutionizing the tech landscape, and we're going to break down why they're so awesome. Imagine a computer shrunk down to the size of a credit card. That's essentially what an SBC is. It packs all the essential components of a computer processor, memory, input-output ports, onto a single circuit board. Pretty neat, huh? The idea of an SBC isn't exactly new. It dates back to the 1970s with early microcomputers, but it wasn't until recently that they really took off. Thanks to advancements in technology and affordability, SBCs are now more powerful and accessible than ever before. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or just curious about the gadgets that power our world, understanding SBCs is key to unlocking a universe of possibilities.
Now let's pop the hood and see what makes these SBCs tick. At the heart of every SBC is the processor, or CPU. This is the brain of the operation, responsible for executing instructions and running programs. Next up, we have RAM, or random access memory. Think of this as the computer's short-term memory. It stores data that the CPU needs to access quickly. The more RAM you have, the smoother your SBC will run, especially for demanding tasks. No computer is complete without storage, and SBCs are no different. This is where your operating system, applications, and files reside. You'll typically find flash memory like SD cards or eMMC modules on SBCs. Finally, we have the input-output. This is where you'll find all the ports and connectors that allow the SBC to interact with the outside world. Think USB ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and more. These are just the basic building blocks. Depending on the specific SBC, you might find additional components like Wi-Fi modules, Bluetooth audio codecs, and even graphics processing units, GPUs.
Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about what you can actually do with these awesome little machines. And trust me, the possibilities are practically endless. One of the coolest things about SBCs is their versatility. They're used in a wide range of applications, from DIY projects to industrial automation.
Ever heard of the Raspberry Pi? It's one of the most popular SBCs out there, and people use it for everything from building robots and home automation systems to creating retro gaming consoles and even setting up personal servers. But it's not just about hobbyists and makers. SBCs are also making waves in the professional world. They're used in industrial control systems, digital signage, robotics, and even Internet of Things, IoT devices. Their small size, low power consumption, and affordability make them a perfect fit for these applications. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started with SBCs. There are tons of resources and communities online that can help you learn the ropes and start building your own projects.
As technology rapidly advances, we're seeing a constant push for smaller, more powerful devices. And the world of SBCs is no exception. Manufacturers are constantly innovating, cramming more processing power and features into ever-shrinking form factors. Remember those clunky desktop computers from the 90s? SBCs represent a dramatic leap forward in miniaturization. We're now at a point where these tiny boards can rival the performance of laptops from just a few years ago. That's pretty mind-blowing.
But with great power comes great responsibility and some challenges. Packing all those components into such a small space can lead to heat dissipation issues. Engineers are constantly working on innovative cooling solutions to keep these powerful SBCs running smoothly. Another challenge is balancing performance with power consumption. While SBCs are generally energy efficient, demanding applications can push their limits. Finding the sweet spot between power and efficiency is crucial for many applications, especially battery-powered devices.
An SBC is just a piece of hardware without the right software to breathe life into it. The good news is, you've got options.
I believe the flexibility of operating systems is a game changer for SBCs.
Absolutely. The ability to run different OSes opens up so many possibilities.
One of the most popular choices for SBCs is Linux. It's a free and open source operating system that's known for its flexibility and powerful command line interface. Many SBCs, like the Raspberry Pi, have dedicated Linux distributions optimized for their hardware. But hold on, Linux isn't the only game in town. You can also find specialized operating systems designed for specific applications, like real-time operating systems, or RTOS, for industrial control systems. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even install Android on some SBCs, turning them into mini Android PCs. The possibilities are truly endless.
And don't forget about the programming languages. SBCs support a wide range of them.
Indeed, from Python to C++, the options are vast. This versatility is what makes SBCs so powerful. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating custom applications and controlling external devices.
The vibrant open source community is one of the most exciting aspects of the SBC world. Open source software, like Linux, allows anyone to view, modify, and distribute the source code. This fosters collaboration and innovation, as developers worldwide contribute to making SBCs better. From tutorials to open source libraries, there's a wealth of knowledge and support available. This spirit has led to countless amazing projects and applications for SBCs. It's also driven down costs, making SBCs more accessible. The open source community welcomes everyone, from seasoned developers to beginners. It's a fantastic place to learn, share, and contribute to the world of single-board computing.
While SBCs have come a long way, there are still challenges on the horizon.
One of the biggest challenges is cost. While SBCs are relatively affordable, the price can quickly add up when you factor in peripherals like displays, keyboards, and cases.
Another challenge is power consumption. As SBCs become more powerful, they also tend to draw more power. This can be a problem for battery-powered applications and for applications where heat dissipation is a concern. But fear not.
Engineers and developers are constantly working on innovative solutions to overcome these challenges. We're seeing new manufacturing techniques that are driving down costs, as well as more efficient processors and power management systems.
The future of SBCs is bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more powerful, versatile, and affordable SBCs hitting the market.
Emerging trends and the future of single-board computing. Hold on tight because the world of SBCs is evolving at a breakneck pace.
New trends are constantly emerging, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. AI and machine learning at the edge are becoming more prevalent.
SBCs can now run complex AI algorithms locally. This enables applications like image recognition and predictive maintenance.
SBCs are increasingly integrated into IoT devices. From smart homes to industrial automation, SBCs connect our world.
SBCs are popular for retro gaming and media centers.
The future of SBCs is incredibly exciting.
One of the most inspiring aspects of SBCs is their impact on education.
These affordable and accessible devices are empowering the next generation of tech innovators by providing a hands-on platform for learning about electronics, programming, and computer science. From elementary school classrooms to university labs, SBCs are being used to teach students about coding, robotics, and digital making.
By building and programming their own projects, students develop critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and a deeper understanding of technology.
The open source nature of many SBCs also encourages collaboration and knowledge sharing among students and educators. There are countless online resources, tutorials, and communities dedicated to supporting SBC education.
By making technology more accessible and engaging, SBCs are helping to inspire a passion for STEM fields and prepare students for the jobs of the future.
Well, there you have it. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of single-board computers, exploring their history, components, applications, and future potential. From humble beginnings, SBCs have evolved into powerful and versatile tools that are transforming industries and empowering individuals. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or just someone curious about the technology that shapes our world, understanding SBCs is key to unlocking a universe of possibilities. Their affordability, accessibility, and open-source nature have democratized technology, making it easier than ever for anyone to learn, create, and innovate. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, one thing is certain: single-board computers will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of technology and innovation. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and discover the amazing world of SBCs.